Okulgira Solomon Birungi All Senior Master aishomero rya Bwera buwarimo kubyama omugenzi atunje oburemezi omukwisya niko kusharamo kumwirukanzya azahirwaro okwafire atakayikireyo.
She developed difficulties in breathing. So when the matron reached Sulaina, she realized she would not do much and she had to call the hostel nurse to come and pay attention. So when the hostel nurse reached the girl, it was beyond her control. She immediately advised that they call for the driver of the school car, and at around 1, the driver was already in school, and by 2 a.m. she was driven to the hospital, Bwera Hospital, where she eventually died.
Nyina w'omugenzi nagira ngo mwana we atwire atakukira kurwara agwerirwe na Akagwe.
Omwana okuruga omunamuzaara atakaroragaho n'izoba na rimwe ate nyamubaze kiro saa 9 mbere mbyambire ndaba nayiba naiza nangambira ngo yimuke bani bakwenda hirwara omwana ari kubi nasari kubi batangambira ngo omwana ruire we yabakobata.
Yesterday I even talked to her. She was okay, but she didn't even tell me she's having any headache. So in the morning told us she's gone, and we were really hearted, and may her soul rest in peace.
Abena gabatenda kusomera bwa doctor yamara kusobanaga yamara S.4 naza kuza kusomera rubirizi P5 ananda kugumiza mamare takwenda kugarukira hagati ate mbe nikora bumono ngandeba ngo tibamubinga ishomero mbendanta byansiba ninkora ndangufuze nagisasuro muvwire kubaga abayine kiroto cyo kusoma munonga.
DPC wabwera division agira ngo polisi yatangira korogo wayo ogo kuchondoza.
As I talk, the doctors and the mortuary conducting postmortem, and we are waiting for the results of the postmortem. Otherwise, it has happened. I want to urge everybody to remain calm for what has happened, and the outcome will come as the technocrats, the doctors, they are doing their work.
Omugenzi Abinargom district ya Rubirizi Gashakwa Gilbert Mahanguzi.